not enough.
Game?
While the other faces stimulating violence.
Hi, I'm Mike from SafeLight. I'm going to a customer who's waiting. He was close. He should tell the right place. SafeLight has the largest stock of windshields, so we can help them right away. I think it's important to let customers know SafeLight technicians have the most expensive training in the business. We're so confident in our word. SafeLight backs every replacement with a national lifetime warranty. He said we made it easy, almost like it never happened. Call us now.
SafeLight Repair, SafeLight Replace.
Granola nut clusters from Nature Valley. 100% natural nuts and granola. Bite-sized clusters. And nature approved. Granola nut clusters from Nature Valley.
To keep it balanced after 50, I switched to a complete multivitamin with more. Only One A Day Women's 50 Plus Advantage has ginkgo for support for bone and breast health. A great addition to my routine. One A Day Women's.
We can't promise it'll make your life less hectic. Help the kids get along. Or make it better. But soft, easy care Stainmaster carpet stays up to 30% cleaner than other carpets, giving you more time to do the things you do. During our great performance promotion, we have special offers on the carpet that last 50% longer than other carpets, and enjoy a little more time and money for yourself. Visit Stainmaster.com for a retailer near you.
What are you going to miss when you have an allergy attack? Benadryl is more effective than Claritin at relieving your worst symptoms and works when you need it most. Benadryl, you can't pause life.
Honey, we've got it.
The only medicine you need is lidocaine. It stops itching fast.